All right, so today we're taking a look at a few more cases for the S23 from Samsung, specifically the S23 Plus, as well as the base model S23. And we got a couple more of the Unicorn Beetle Pro cases from Supcase. So you can see we have their camo glitch colorway right here. We have the metallic blue, which is going to be this one right here. And we also have a metallic red, which will be this guy right here. And I will have the links to all of these down in the description. And like I've said in other videos, when it comes to protective cases, the Unicorn Beetle Pro lineup from Supcase is one of my favorite. They're very, budget friendly, and they do a really, really good job. So we're just going to slap these onto the phones and kind of show you how they look and give you a feel for the amount of protection that they have to offer. And really quick, right off the bat, each one of these do come with a belt clip holster as well. So if you're interested in that, they do come with one. So we're going to take these off, go ahead and get the phones installed, and we'll show you how they look. So in terms of the installation, just like all other Unicorn Beetle Pro cases, you got that little slot right there, which you can kind of stick something in there. You can use your fingernail, whatever works, and you can start to separate the two layers. From there, you're going to install the top layer onto the front of the phone, just like so. And then you can install the front half back into the bottom half. It should just kind of snap into place with a little bit of force around the edges. Just like so. You also want to make sure that the flap on the bottom protecting the charging port is lined up. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So again, this is going to be the camo glitch. You can see you got that kind of design going on the back there. Give you guys a close up here. Really nice deep protection for the cameras as usual. On the back, you also have your built-in kickstand right here. So you got a little slot right there. All you got to do is stick your finger in there and pull it out, and it does lock into place. So now you got a built-in kickstand. If you want to prop your phone up, portrait mode or landscape, obviously you do have that option, and we'll just lock that back into place. Another thing I really like about the Unicorn Beetle Pro cases is the grip that you get on the side. So you can see you got these ridges on each side, and they just make it really easy to, grab and hold onto the phone. And while we're at it, also give you a close-up of the buttons there on each side, as well as the bottom. You got your cutouts, and like I said, you do have a protective flap protecting your charging port, which is really good at keeping lint and debris out of there. And then on the top, you got a cutout for your microphone there. So that is the camo glitch. Let's go ahead and take a look at the metallic blue. So if you're a fan of the color blue, this might be an option that you want to check out. It's kind of like a sky blue, as you can see. Give you guys a close-up of the back there. Again, you got that built-in kickstand right there. Really convenient if you need to prop up your phone for whatever reason. And we'll give you the same close-up on this one here, all the way around. And let me give you a close-up of the screen protection as well. Hopefully you guys can see that. So you do have a nice raised edge pretty much all around the entire screen to give you some nice protection for your overall display. This one also feels really good in the hand. Same level of grip, whole 9 yards. And then we'll show you this option for the base model S23. As you can see, it is just slightly smaller than the other two options. So let's get that slapped on really quick. So if you go with the base model S23, this is going to give you an idea as to how the phone will look with one of these cases. So we'll give you a close up here, so you can see that camera protection. See the kickstand, cutouts on the bottom, the top, the sides, exact same setup. And I think it gives you a really good balance between great protection and size. It doesn't feel overly bulky or anything like that. And again, some really good protection for your screen and display. Nice raised edge all the way around the entire screen. And these cases do work with wireless charging. And I believe that Supcase does recommend that you use official Samsung wireless chargers for the best performance. So just keep that in mind. But anyway, just giving you guys some up close shots as to how these cases actually look in person. So again, I will have the links down in the description if you are interested. And aside from that, we'll see you in the next one.